How to fix Beats Solo 3 only one side not working. I'm going to tell you how to fix your Beats Solo 3 if only one side is working. First, check the audio settings on your device. Go to your device's audio settings and ensure the balance is centered, not shifted to one side. Some devices also have accessibility settings that may affect sound output, so review those as well. Next, ensure a proper connection. If you're using Bluetooth, make sure the headphones are correctly paired with your device. Try disconnecting and reconnecting them, or move closer to your device to avoid signal issues. If you're using a wired connection, check the headphone jack for dirt or damage and try a different cable if possible. If the issue persists, reset your Beats Solo 3. Hold down the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 10 seconds until the LED light starts flashing. This will restore the headphones to default settings and may fix any software issues. Finally, inspect the headphone hardware. Clean the audio ports, check for any visible damage, and test the headphones with another device. If one side still isn't working, the issue might be internal, and you may need to contact Beats support or visit an authorized repair center for further assistance.